Hey guys, this is Ray Tay, CEO of Optifold. So I want to show you guys how I fix people's eyelids over my computer. We do mostly WhatsApp chats. In here we have a client. She writes, "Hello, I bought Optifold in Korea and received the product. I don't know what size to use. I want to find a size that fits my eyes. I'm sending a message using a translator." Okay, so at this point, I want to know how her eyelids look, so we asked the client to send us an eyelid profile video. Here she sends the eyelid profile video. It's 4 steps. I download it and it goes onto her folder here. And here is the first video. We take a look at it. When I'm watching the videos, I pause at certain frames so I can compare both eyelids. I'm beginning to see her left eye. Here you can see on her left eye the crease doesn't connect to the inner corner of the eye, and on her right eye it does connect to the inner corner of the eye. The asymmetry will start from here. Here's another shot where you can see by the time she looks upwards above eye level at this angle. I'm suspecting that she probably, for her left eye, she wants to lower it. At least make the crease connect to the inner corner of the eye. Okay. Okay, here we go again. See, you can see her left eye, that platform of skin is present, which is different from her right eye. Okay. So she definitely wants to lower the crease on her left eye. So what tape size? So how we figure that out? Well, we look at her right eye and see what kind of size that is. Okay, so her double eyelids on her right eye, it's a crescent type double eyelid. So what it means is like it's not a parallel type double eyelid or outline, it's an inline. Seeing that the crease was able to still form even though it wasn't fully connected on her left eye, which means that that crease is larger, so she is most likely a size 4.